Good morning, beta. Today we are going to do the next story, Lamb to the Slaughter. It is a very powerful story written by Roald Dahl. It is taken from Someone Like You in the collected stories of Roald Dahl. Someone Like You. They were published in 1991. It's a story about murder, crime. Someone is killed in the story. Mary, the wife, murders her husband. She hits the back of his head with the big frozen leg of lamb. She kills him and gets worried because she knows the penalty of murder. She is prepared for the punishment, but she is worried about her unborn child in her womb. Actually, she does not know about the laws about murderers with unborn children. After committing the murder of her husband, she tries to look very natural and normal. She puts the frozen leg of the lamb into the oven for cooking. Mary kills her husband with that very frozen leg of the lamb, and it is the weapon that is used for murdering him. She cooks it. The policemen come to investigate the murder. Mary insists them to eat the cooked leg of lamb. She has a hidden motive actually. She wants to destroy the weapon used for the husband's murder. They eat to their fill, and Mary giggles at their foolishness. Now, no trace of the murder weapon is left. The full name of Mary is Mary Maloney. She is the heroine of this story, Lamb to the Slaughter. She loves her husband very deeply. She eagerly awaits him to come home from work. She wants to please him in every way. She greets him when he comes home and takes his coat and hangs it at the proper place. It is always a blissful time of the day for her when her husband returns home from work. She enjoys his company after long, lonely hours, and she loves him the way he sits in the chair. When the husband comes home, she expects that he will take her out to dinner, but he is very tired to eat out. She offers to prepare the dinner at home. She waits for his answer, but he makes no sign. He does not want cheese and crackers as usual, the food that is prepared daily. She gets frightened when he asks her to sit down. All of a sudden, he tells her that he is going to leave her. He assures her that he will give her sufficient money and see that she is well looked after. With each word that he speaks, he seems to go further from her. Now, this Mary, the wife who was waiting for her husband to come home, comes to know that the husband is planning to divorce her, to leave her, and this decision of the husband comes as a bolt from the blue for her. She loves him so much, she does not want to believe what he has told her. She thinks that it is all in her imagination. She sets to prepare the dinner with a big frozen leg of lamb. Her husband does not want any dinner. He stands with his back to her, and she's angry with him beyond words. She just does not know how to express her anger. She gathers her courage and hits the back of his head with the hard and big frozen lamb leg. This blow on the head kills the husband then and there. He falls down. Now Mary knows what it means to murder someone, but she is worried about her unborn child. She does not know what will happen. She wants to look natural because investigations are going to take place. She brings the vegetables from the market to cook supper. She puts everything as it was. We know that Mary had killed her husband with the big frozen leg of lamb, and it is the weapon that she used. But she prepares that very leg of the lamb for the policemen who come to investigate the murder. She prepares the dinner for them. They are searching the house for the murder weapon. They look for it everywhere. She offers them that very lamb cooked in the oven, and she insists that you should not go away hungry from my house. The policemen, while searching for the weapon, they are tired. They too sit down to eat that very cooked lamb leg. And one of the policemen also says that the murder weapon will be right under our nose and maybe we won't be able to find it. Mary giggles because yes, it is right under their nose. They are eating that very weapon. She does it. The husband, whose name is Patrick Maloney, is the lamb slaughtered by his wife with the help of that big frozen leg. And in this story we find that how a cunning and conniving murderer can turn the weapon into a dinner for the people who are investigating that murder. I hope you understood the story, and I know that some of you would like to say something, but even if you do, you can always contact me if you want to understand something, or if you want, you all have my phone number. At the end of the story, the policemen are unable to find the weapon, and when they are searching for a weapon, what they are trying to find is something heavy which must have hit the head of the murdered man, or a spanner, but they find nothing like that, and ultimately they eat the weapon that was used. Thank you. We'll meet again